second grader in the store.
She touched a second grader's junk, Tirza. Cassandra did.
It did not. We were both in second grade. It was an accident.
You like just happened to see him in the store.
We drove by him, and my mom was gonna stop and tell him.
Videoing me.
She was gonna stop and tell him that she was like, oh, she's like, oh, I see him. Let's go tell him. And so Savannah's like, no. She grabbed the
She's
wheel.
recording it.
It's okay. He doesn't know.
What? You say his name.
Stop it. Stop it. We don't.